So for this lab, module 4 lab, I'm going to attempt to write a paragraph about my favorite vacation spot using the built-in speech-to-text through Microsoft Word. But I first have to configure my voice through through Windows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the search bar. I'm going to type in Control Panel. When I type in Control Panel, I'm going to go down to Ease of Access. Hopefully this works because I try to sign into my network and it's saying malfunction, but we'll see how it goes. Speech recognition. So we're going to click on speech recognition, and we're going to click this button that says speech recognition. So it's welcome speech recognition. Allows you to control your computer by voice. Only using your voice you can start programs, open menus, just about everything you do with your mouse. Awesome. So we just got to set up the tutorial. We're going to use the microphone because I don't have a actually I do have a microphone, but let me grab it real fast. A headset real fast. I'm coming. Hopefully this works again, like I said. So now what I'm going to do is put my headphones. I have my headphones on. I'm plugging in the microphone in. Headphones is in. Headset with microphone, check. And now I'm going to start my speech recognition. It's going to recognize my voice, headset. Here we go. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing, and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Now it's set up. We can do that. We can set that up. We can control this by voice. And now the taskbars come up, speech recognition. And so now we're going to open up Microsoft Word. Let's see how this works. Let's see. Recently, I was able to travel to Virginia Beach even though I had 2 root canals. Backspace. 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 So So I had to turn it off for a second because it was messing up my voice. So I have to be very clear on this. Though I had 2 root canals, period. My wife and I went on a marriage retreat. And so when I make mistakes, I have to turn it off. My wife and I went, let's see, now I can turn back on. Went on a marriage retreat. As you can tell, it's a struggle. So now you have to be very specific. Went, delete, white. Went on a, delete, on a, on, As you can tell, this is a struggle. So I'm just gonna type it on a marriage retreat. Kind of tricky. Okay, now let's turn this back on, shall we? We stayed in a beach house for a weekend. Delete weekend. Weekend. Period. There were. Delete YR. Were. Delete YR. Was. Delete Y's. Was. Delete one is. Was. Delete what's. Was. Plenty of food and drinks. Period. We walked on the beach. Delete all on that beach. On the beach. Delete all got one beat. Delete all one got beat. Delete all got one beat. On. Delete all on. Delete all one. On. Delete all one. On the sand. Delete one vest saved a. But it. Delete its. It was. Delete what was cold on the beach. Delete all one got beat. On. Delete all one. On. On. Delete. Delete all one. By the water. Period. We spent a lot of quality time together. Period. This was a great. Delete any great. A great weekend that we needed. Delete need it. Need it. Period. We look forward. Delete for work. Forward. To going. Delete calling. Going back. Next year. Period. Our children were very excited for us because we want to continue. Delete continue. Delete can sing you. The lead can sing you. Okay, gotta turn this off. Because you gotta delete it. There's some tricky parts, but that's fine. Continue to enhance our marriage. Period. And as you can see, it is trial and error. But now I just wrote a small little paragraph about a recent vacation that we went on. And I hope that this was great. And I'm trying to get to the video so we can turn it off now. Let's see if we can get back to the record screen.